We are here as members of the County Assembly, led by the leadership of the Assembly. You can see the majority leader here, the minority leader is here, and the other members of the County Assembly. We want to issue a joint communique by the County Assembly of Kitui from both the divides of the House, and I invite the majority leader on behalf of all of us to read that statement. Thank you, Majority Leader Karibu.
Thank you. I'll do the statement in English and translate it into our local language. Fellow Kituians, today as members of the County Assembly of Kitui, we wish to address the county and country on matters of great importance. Today, the County Assembly of Kitui received the Supplementary Budget 2 for the financial year 2022-2023 from our Governor, His Excellency Dr. Julius Makau Malombe, whose purpose is to implement development projects that will uplift the livelihoods of the residents of Kitui. As your servants, through the leadership of our Speaker and Assembly leadership, we have committed the budget for consideration and approval as soon as possible to facilitate the development agenda of the county. The solemn duty of the County Assembly is stipulated by the law in legislation, oversight, representation, and approval of plans as envisaged in the Constitution of Kenya 2010 and the County Government Act 2012, which we are fully committed to achieve in totality. Fellow Kituians, ever since our County Assembly Speaker, Honorable Kevin Kinengo Katisia, assumed the office 6 months ago, there has been sustained opposition from external forces, and persons who are up to date never came to terms that Honorable Kevin Kinengo Katisia is our duly elected Speaker. The same forces have relentlessly worked towards dividing the House with the aim of destabilizing the Assembly. Today we stand here as an Assembly to shame the evil forces and maintain our unit, which is meant to serve and deliver services and development interventions to the great people of Kitui as we promised during our campaigns. Today we stand here to show our unwavering support to our Speaker, Honorable Kevin Kinengo Katisia, and commit to support him in his duty to lead the County Assembly of Kitui. We have symbolically chosen to address you from the steps of the County Assembly as a sign of renewed commitment, of unit of purpose, whose foreseen outcome is effective, efficient, and swift delivery of our mandate, as we support the leadership of the County Assembly led by our Speaker, Honorable Kevin Kinengo Katisia, to make sure that the great people of Kitui get service delivery they rightly deserve. Thank you for your time, and God bless you.